Now I am going to show the demo. I am going to switch on the power. So it will work battery also, 12 volt battery also. Now I am going to connect my device to this Wi-Fi. Go to your Wi-Fi in your app, mobile. Connect Wi-Fi smart timer. It's connected. The password is password, small letter only. After that, I close this Wi-Fi. Next, you go to your app, installed app. So it will support horn and bell, everything it will support. Next you can go to set timer. You see the time is running now, 14 seconds. Here you can set your current time. You can update the current time here. So this is one bell settings, up to 13 bell is there. Now I am going to set the first bell. So now 14:51 I am going to set. Two seconds. Now you see it's going to 56, 57, 51. So now like this it will work. So I had given 2-second delay of sound. Like this you can different period, different time you can set. How long the siren should on. So one by one it will get switch on. Like this it will work. Thank you.